नमस्ते और आप सभी का मेरे चैनल पर स्वागत है। फॉर दोज़ हू डोंट नो मी, हाय माय नेम इज़ संस्कृति एंड आई लव टॉकिंग। आज के इस वीडियो में आई विल बी रिव्यूइंग अ मिनी सीरीज दैट आई रिसेंटली बिंज वॉच्ड। दिस सीरीज इज़ अवेलेबल ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स एंड इट इज़ currently the number one show of Netflix. The show that I'll be talking about today is Adolescence. And oh my god, it is very heavy, it is very taxing, it is very lethargic to watch, but I completed it. So I'm here to talk about it. बेसिकली जैसा मैंने कहा है कि इसमें है 4 एपिसोड, सो मैं वन एपिसोड को रिव्यू करूंगी एंड दैट्स हाउ विल गो अबाउट द स्टोरी एंड व्हाट ऑल आई फेल्ट वॉचिंग दोज एपिसोड्स विल ऑल्सो बी टोल्ड टू यू गाइज। एंड ये शो बेसिकली बहुत ही ऐसा है कि आज जो भी हो रहा, जो भी कल वॉट एवर इज हैपनिंग एंड द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज ऑफ वॉट इज हैपनिंग टुडे are also shown in the show. It is like talking about the impacts that the social media will have on children and also how the children will grow in a world where they are influenced by the wrong people also. Yeah. तो ये शो में बेसिकली अपन यही देखते हैं। फर्स्ट अभी ये स्टोरी आई विल टेल यू स्टोरी कैसा चल रही एंड द स्टोरी रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड जेमी मिलर हु इज़ अ 13-year-old बॉय। अभी फर्स्ट एपिसोड में वी सी देयर इज दिस फैमिली एंड जेमी स्लीपिंग इन हिज रूम एंड सडनली द कॉप्स कम इन एंड अरेस्ट जेमी। आई एम शॉक्ड, क्या बच्चे को अरेस्ट कर रहे, क्यों, क्या हुआ? आई वॉज लाइक दिस, ऑल क्वेश्चंस मेरे दिमाग में थे। तो एंड द फैमिली इज ऑल्सो शॉक्ड, भाई शॉक में ही चल रहा बिकॉज आउट ऑफ नो वेयर द कॉप्स आर कमिंग इन एंड टेकिंग योर चाइल्ड। What is happening? The parents are also in shock. इससे पहले सभी नॉर्मल चल रहा था उनकी फैमिली में, ऐसा नहीं कि कोई कुछ तो भी डिसफंक्शनल फैमिली है, नहीं। इट इज़ बेसिक, मतलब जैसी एक नॉर्मल फैमिली रहती वैसे ही दिखा रहा था सब कुछ। बट आउट ऑफ नो वेयर द कॉप्स कम इन एंड टेक द चाइल्ड। तो फर्स्ट एपिसोड में जब ये होता, एवरी वन इज इन पैनिक एंड शॉक मोड एंड लाइक फैमिली को पता नहीं है कि क्यों लेके गए जेमी को। एंड व्हेन द कॉप्स लाइक सिट इन फॉर इंस्पेक्शन दे टेल that Jamie is arrested for committing a murder, and the family is like, oh my god, what are you talking? Are you like sane? मेरा बच्चा 13 साल का है और आप बोल रहे कि मेरा लड़का मर्डर करा। oh my god, what are you talking? The family is like this. of course भाई, आप 13 साल के लड़के से मर्डर एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे? नहीं ना, कोई नहीं करता। and on top of that he's all normal. it's not like there are any signs of this. so अपन ये देखते हैं कि पेरेंट्स आर इन शॉक एंड दे आर लाइक व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग, बट लाइक द चाइल्ड जेमी मिलर इज अरेस्टेड फॉर कमिटिंग मर्डर एंड इट इज़ वेरी शॉकिंग टू नो ये मर्डर हुआ किसका। बेसिकली जो जेमी की स्कूलमेट है केटी, जिसका नाम है केटी, उसका मर्डर हो गया है, ओके, एंड ही इज अरेस्टेड फॉर दैट। ओ आई वॉज लाइक मे बी दे आर रॉन्ग। मतलब भाई जब मैं फर्स्ट एपिसोड देख रही आई वॉज लाइक 13 साल का लड़का है, मर्डर बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है, हाउ इज़ इट पॉसिबल। एंड क्यों मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था मालूम, क्योंकि उसकी फैमिली भी ऐसा नहीं थी कि देख के कोई शक हो रहा कि ओ माय गॉड कुछ तो चल रहा, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं था। उसकी फैमिली बड़ी नॉर्मल, कुछ दिखाया नहीं ज़्यादा, बट द वे कॉप्स कम इन द पैनिक एंड शॉक वी फील लाइक गलत बंदे को पकड़ लिए शायद से, बोल के मुझे ऐसा लगा पहले। तो आई वाज लाइक ओके, बट देन दे शो देम द क्लिप्स of the murder from the CCTV footage that they have and I was shocked. I was like, are you kidding me? oh my god, उस footage में clearly दिख रहा कि Jamie is stabbing Katie and उसकी वजह से she dies on spot। मतलब भाई इतना ब्रूटली उन्हें उसको स्टैप करता कि शी डाइज ऑन स्पॉट। एंड जब तक क्लिप्स दिखाते जेमी इज इन डिनायल एंड ही इज टेलिंग हिज फादर ऑल्सो दैट आई हैव नॉट डन इट। एंड द व्यूअर्स एज ऑडियंस आई वाज ऑल्सो लाइक भाई गलत हो गया होगा, मे बी इट इज अ मिस्टेक। तो जब क्लिप्स दिखाते कि जेमी हैज कमिटेड अ मर्डर, आई वाज लाइक भाई आई डिडंट नो बिकॉज the acting and the kid who was telling ke I didn't do it, Jamie who was telling ke I didn't do it, it was believable and the family looked normal. I was like what, whole life was a lie। फर्स्ट एपिसोड में अपने को पता चल जाता कि जेमी हैज कमिटेड अ मर्डर। तो and basically the whole show is like why हु डन इट नहीं है, क्योंकि इन द फर्स्ट एपिसोड ओनली वी नो कि जेमी हैज कमिटेड अ मर्डर, बट why did he do it? From where did this all come from? His family looks normal, but the child is like murdering someone. It is not normal. Where is this coming from? So first episode mein we see this, and we get to know that Jamie is the murderer. And this is the first episode. It consists of denial, it consists of shocks, and I was like, क्या twist है भाई, ये twist ही नहीं, मतलब it was unacceptable for me, because 13 साल का लड़का मर्डर कर रहा, it is not normal. एक सेंटेंस में ही नॉर्मल नहीं लग रहा जब मैं बोल रही, तो हाउ इज इट नॉर्मल व्हेन आई एम वाचिंग? सो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट एपिसोड, एंड आई फेल्ट लाइक बेसिकली इट वाज जस्ट एन इंट्रोडक्शन के उन्हें करा, बट क्यों करा वो हमें नहीं मालूम था, कहाँ से आ रहा इतना गुस्सा नहीं मालूम, और इतना बड़ा कदम लेने के लिए what is going on in his mind? What is the psychology behind a 13-year-old boy who's committing a murder, bhai? Basically, the first episode was like the intro to that. And second episode, we see that the cops are like going to his school, and also they are like going to his family members and searching for the weapon with which he killed, stabbed Katie. And in the second episode we get to know that how much the social media has influenced children, and in all the wrong ways. Okay, जब पुलिस school visit करती, they see everyone is on social media, like it is normal to be, and like bullying भाई openly चल रही, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि कोई किसी को डरा रहा, everything is like normalized in the school, like one person telling के you are dumb, like भाई अब you know what bullying is, and it is shown very normally in the school, मतलब school में it is normalized, and how it impacts the children, that is also shown, because भाई it is not okay for a child to grow in an environment where he is bullied constantly, where he is like seen as a misfit. It is not okay, and that impacts the child's mind, and that is seen in the second episode. The second episode is wholly about how teenagers are affected because of social media, and what all impacts the social media has on children, and how did the situation get out of control basically. And like second episode में हमें ये भी पता चलता कि Jamie asks Katie out, but Katie refuses, and she uses many terms. There are many terms in the series that were very new to me, and she basically rejects Jamie, and Jamie couldn't take it, so he murdered her. Second episode mein we get to know this, and I was like, children are not able to accept a simple no, like bhai murder tak chale gayi wo baat. And also in Jamie, from second episode, like first episode mein he's in denial, and we feel very like bad and like, oh my god, they got the wrong guy, but by the time we come to second episode we are like, oh my god, what, this Jamie is a big manipulator. And what is his age? His age is just 13. I was shocked. I was like, oh my god, what is happening? So second episode mein basically how the social media is impacting and everything is shown. And coming to the third episode is where Jamie meets the psychologist. Basically the psychologist has to write reports on why Jamie has done this, and that episode was the most taxing one, and it was very मुझे देखा नहीं जा रहा था basically. It was very scary. It was like the acting was top notch, and let me tell you, this Jamie ka character is played by Owen. This is his first time acting, and I was like, very good acting. And the third episode mein we see the psychologist interviewing Jamie, and that is where we realize that from where is this coming from. Like Jamie actually इतना रेज था, आया कहाँ से कि he is committing a murder. And it is also shown that he has a god complex from teenage. भाई मतलब मुझे पता है कि देर इज दिस सुपीरियोरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स इन men, but how it is infused in the teenage boys, that is shown very realistically in the show. And I was like, oh my god, because in that episode, the you know इतना you know कैसा बोलूँ मैं, सिचुएशन इधर तक पहुंच जाती कि द साइकोलॉजिस्ट इज गेटिंग स्कैर्ड ऑफ जेमी एंड हिज बिहेवियर, ब्रो. लाइक ही इज सच अ स्कैरी बॉय इफ यू आस्क मी. लाइक भाई, एक 13 साल का लड़का, ही इज कमिटिंग मर्डर बिकॉज द गर्ल सेड नो टू हिम. एंड ऑल्सो फ्रॉम वेयर इज दिस कमिंग? Oh my god, I was shocked. He has this god complex that women are nothing in front of him and they are no one to tell him how he should behave. And the सबसे सैड चीज़ क्या थी मालूम? द वे ही वॉज जस्टिफाइंग हिज एक्शंस, द वे ही वॉज जस्टिफाइंग हिज rage towards Katie. It was not normal, if you ask me. It was not normal, and I felt so uncomfortable watching the whole episode. I was like, oh my god, where is the generation moving towards? What is the future? Is this what we will be having in the future? It is very scary. Like, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि this is like a very alarming, एक वेकअप कॉल है सबके लिए कि सोशल मीडिया क्या कर सकता आपके बच्चों के लिए, लिटरली क्या कर सकता. एंड मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि मेरे लिए ही इतना डिफ़िकल्ट था ये देखने के लिए. हाउ डिफ़िकल्ट विल इट बी फॉर द पेरेंट्स? Because आजकल this is a very normal thing that your child is on phone. Everyone is addicted to phone. Even I myself consider myself कि I'm addicted. तो बच्चे भी addicted है, and that is normalized, but it shouldn't be, because you never know what your child is watching on the phone. You never know what type of content they are consuming. And जो कंटेंट जेमी कंज्यूम कर रहा था इंस्टाग्राम पे, मेरे को ऐसा लगता कि दैट इज ऑल्सो नहीं, दैट इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट रीजन वाई ही हैज़ डन इट. बिकॉज दिस थिंग ऑफ हैविंग द सुपीरियोरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स is normalized on social media, and also many children get influenced by the wrong people. Like, भाई आपको, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि there should be a certification that इन्फ्लुएंसर बनने के लिए भी एक सर्टिफिकेशन रहना, बिकॉज anyone is coming and influencing people, and the sufferers are who? The innocent children who are getting influenced by these wrong people. I was like, it is not okay. And also, मैं अभी सोशल मीडिया के बारे में बात करी, बट मेरे को ऐसा लगता नहीं, द सीरीज ऑल्सो हैज़ शोन के द चाइल्ड्स वे ऑफ लुकिंग एट द वर्ल्ड इज majorly influenced by his parents. And when it comes to the boy, it is mostly his father, and when it comes to a girl, it's mostly her mother. तो अभी जेमी जैसा कि एक लड़का है, he is so much influenced by his father. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जेमी के जो फादर थे, he was shown as a normal guy. He was shown as very like loving, affectionate guy, because everyone he's referring to as my love. And I was like, he's very affectionate like that. मतलब वैसा दिखाया गया. But जो जिस तरीके से जो small behavior रहता, that impacts a lot. Like one incident in the 3rd episode where Jamie talks about how his father got angry once and really got angry on his mother, and literally like, but इतना गुस्सा आके भी Jamie, what he underlines is he did not beat her, he did not get physical with my mother. मतलब भाई, that is not okay. मेरे हिसाब से that is not okay. Like, child having this mentality of shouting at the other gender because they are the other gender, and also because they have this godlike complex, that is not okay. And this is very beautifully नहीं बोलूँगी, because it is really very sad to watch what will be our future, and it is very very sad and very बहुत ही ऐसा डरावना है भाई, क्या बोलूँ मैं. 3rd episode was the most taxing one, मेरे को ऐसा लगा. And because many things are shown, basically how he has become a very good manipulator, and how he thinks that how he has a god complex, basically. Like, I'm superior, I can do it just because I'm a guy, I can get away with it. ये वाला जो behavior है and the disrespect towards women, that they won't show that they won't show their disrespect towards women, but deep inside they have के it has always been there, that it is there. And the influence the parents have on children is insane. Amy के father रहते, उनका influence, उनके behavior का influence, oh my god, I was like, it is very scary, to be honest, the amount of influence parents have. Because if you have the wrong parents, then it is scary. It is scary, really scary. And Jamie का thought process कैसे build हो रहा, like 13 की age में आपका इतना गलत opinion है towards the other gender, and that comes from social media, that comes from his father. Like passive aggressive है, ऐसा नहीं कि it is openly shown कि his father is showing the other gender, that is females, inferior, but the thing is there, like he feels like, oh my god, I am superior. If that is there, then that is induced in children also, and that is shown like very, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि इतना influence में, जैसे कि पहले के वीडियो में भी बोली that the parents have this super power of influencing their children, but आजकल that influence is mostly in the wrong way only, because bhai, it is very scary to watch a child grow into a monster, and the stages are really like, you never know how much of an impact your actions are leaving on your child's mind. Small things like you shouting at your wife, oh my god, that will tell the child's mind that it is okay to behave a certain way when it is not. Like it is normalizing things that aren't normal. And Jamie, he looks at his father like, इधर उसका देखने का तरीका, मतलब अपने पप्पा के towards जो भी है, father के towards जो भी है, he sees him as this. And when in the first episode also we see that Jamie was asked someone to represent you. He chooses his father, not his mother, because he knows कि उसका पप्पा उसको defend करेगा जब तक he doesn't know the truth. And also he has that confidence in his father and not his mother. Many small things that are shown tell a lot. Like, oh my god, I was like, it is scary in the end. But going to the fourth episode, we see the aftermath of what Jamie has done and the consequences of what Jamie has done. Now Jamie is in juvie, और उसकी family basically are unable to lead a normal life because now everyone knows what Jamie has done, and they are unable to live like a normal family. In the final episode, we see the parents crying, and we see them asking this question ke, were we a part of what he did? Matlab, did we play any role in whatever he did that day? So they were asking that question, and they were also the family has Jamie है, उसके मम्मी, उसके पापा, और उसकी एक बड़ी बहन भी है. तो the father is like, we also have a daughter who is very different from what Jamie is, and how is that possible? How could we raise two different beings under the same roof? Like, how was that possible? So that question is basically a reflection of how the society is actually. मतलब भाई, मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगी कि everyone is bad, everyone is this, everyone is that. I'm not generalizing things, but I'm just telling कि it is what it is. Like, abhi you can't change a person who when the seed is, अभी जब बीज उग ही गए उसके दिमाग में गलत चीज़ों के, तो आप कर ही क्या सकते हैं? आपका मतलब what is your impact also? But to a very big extent, parents should have seen what Jamie was up to, because that is not normal, that is not okay. लाइक ये एक बहुत बड़ी सीख है कि जो पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं कि नहीं मेरा बच्चा तो बस फ़ोन खेल रहा, भाई आपका बच्चा बस फ़ोन में है। दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अलार्मिंग बिकॉज आपका लड़का किस टाइप का कंटेंट कंज्यूम कर रहा, आपका लड़का किसको फॉलो कर रहा है इंस्टाग्राम पे या जो भी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म है उस पे, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो कंसर्निंग। that also should you should have that knowledge also, because you never know, maybe you're raising the next Jamie. I would not want to tell this because this is very harsh for me to tell, but bhai, you never know what you're doing. You're just like neglecting something that should be alarming in the first place. That's what this series was all about. मुझे ऐसा लगता कि how much is it normalized, how to an extent where a 13-year-old is committing a murder. To that level it is normalized. It is not okay. And we see that जेमीज पेरेंट्स का बिहेवियर भी बहुत ही ऐसा लाइक ओपनली बताया गया है 4th एपिसोड में। वी सी हाउ हिज फादर एक्ट्स एंड मतलब हाउ द बिहेवियर ऑफ जेमीज फादर हैज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड हिम। तो वन इंसिडेंट वी सॉ इन द 3rd एपिसोड ओनली के जेमी मेंशंस के वंस माय फादर गॉट वेरी एंग्री बट ही डिड नॉट physically abuse my mother. Like he was telling ke it is okay to go till there where like you're not harming that person, but you're like disrespecting them in a way that is building this thought in Jamie okay, it is okay to do. And Jamie in his rage killed someone because of that, killed someone, and that is not okay. That is where it is not okay. That is where it is not okay भी नहीं बोल सकते. Basically we should like parents should know what they are doing. मेरे हिसाब से मतलब भाई आपकी छोटी से छोटी चीज़ किस तरीके से इन्फ्लुएंस कर रही बच्चे को, यू नेवर नो। एंड इस केस में तो बहुत ही गलत वे में कर रही। एंड जेमी के फादर का भी एक ऐसा साइड बताया, वन मोमेंट इन द 4th एपिसोड ही इज़ वेरी अफेक्शनेट टुवर्ड्स द मदर, लाइक टुवर्ड्स हिज वाइफ, एंड ही आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन के एम आई लाइक दिस साइको, मतलब मेरी वजह से जेमी ऐसा हुआ क्या, मेरी वजह से ऐसा हुआ बोल के नहीं पूछता उन्हें, बट ही इज़ लाइक मेरे में तो इतना गुस्सा नहीं है, फिर कहाँ से आया, मेरे में गुस्सा है क्या बोल के उन्हें उसकी वाइफ को पूछता। तो उसकी वाइफ बोलती थोड़ा बस शी इज़ जस्ट अग्रीइंग टू हिम, येस यू हैव सम एंगर। तो ही कुडंट टेक दैट स्मॉल थिंग फ्रॉम हिज वाइफ कि आप में गुस्सा है, बस इतना आपकी वाइफ आपसे अग्री भी नहीं कर सकती कि आप में गुस्सा है। ये किस तरह का रिलेशन है भाई, मतलब फिर ये रिलेशन है आपका, एंड द चिल्ड्रन आर लाइक सीइंग दैट इज व्हाट इज इन्फ्लुएंसिंग देम when you are like not okay. And जेमी का फादर ये भी बोलता कि I had an physically abusive father, he used to beat me and I was not that towards my children. When my father was that to me, I took that decision then and there कि मैं अपने बच्चों पे हाथ नहीं उठाता. But where has it gotten him? I'm not suggesting that Jamie's father should have beaten him or should have like done like physically abused him, but मेरा ये question है कि even though you learned something from your childhood, you did not learn it correctly. You did not learn the boundaries correctly. That is where it was wrong, I think. And also the way like Jamie का जो father था, how he viewed Jamie, what was the perception of Jamie he had also played a very big role. मतलब basically Jamie wanted to be very good in his father's eyes, but and also there are certain things that we as a society have defined, okay, these things are for women and these things are for men. Like the domestic sphere is for women to take care of and the public sphere is for the men to take care of. But we should not be doing that. That also pressurizes children in some or the other way, and this series has told me that, because भाई आप क्यों ही ये division बना रहे कि औरतों को बस यही करना है, और the men of the family are the breadwinners, should be interested in certain types of sports only, they can't be interested in this. Where is this coming from? मतलब भाई इतने छोटे चीज़ें जो रहते ना, they are only making it all big in the end. This is not Jamie murdering his schoolmate is not ऐसा कोई शॉक की तरह नहीं है, और it is not something that came all of a sudden. It was a pile up of all the small things that he noticed in his family and his surroundings being normalized that shouldn't be normal. सो ये इतने सालों का, इतने चीज़ों का एक इम्पैक्ट है, कॉन्सिक्वेंस है जो कि उन्हें आज करा. बट दैट्स वेयर द थिंग इज ना, मतलब आप कुछ इतने, आपके एक्शंस इतने छोटे भी ऐसे मत रखो कि ओके इतने छोटे ही है ना इसीलिए दैट इज़ ओके. नो, इट इज़ नॉट ओके. इट इज़ नॉट ओके. एंड ये सीरीज मुझे तो ये मेरे लिए वाई इट वॉज स्कैरी टू वॉच इज you can never ever remove this inequality or this superiority complex from men or in male. But bhai, how are you safe, matlab how are you safe in this place where they think it is okay to act on their rage? And itna rage aa raha kahan se bhai? Matlab why do you hate women to an extent that you can't even take their no, or you can't even take their suggestions for that matter? I was like shocked to see this side. I know, देखो सबको मालूम कि this exists and everyone knows that there is gender inequality no matter what. But my views on this have like been there for the longest time, but they have never come out. After watching this series, I was like, yeah, this is my time to talk about what I feel about the issue, because मेरे हिसाब से ये this will exist every, मतलब कभी भी ख़त्म नहीं होने वाली चीज़ें हैं ये this is never finishing. But we can take small steps, that is parents having a good influence on their children. At least it will minimize these events. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि इसको बंद तो कभी भी नहीं कर सकते, पूरी तरीके से ये ख़त्म नहीं होने वाला है, बिकॉज इतनी बुरी तरीके से ये दिमागों में फैल गया. एंड हाउ मच लाइक भाई hating on women is normalized to an extent where it is like आपके घर में बात करेंगे, अरे शी इज़ वुमन दैट्स वाई शी इज़ एक्टिंग दैट वे. नो, इट इज़ नॉट करेक्ट. आप ऐसा बोल भी नहीं सकते. मतलब वही तो जनरलाइजेशन जब आ जाती कि जस्ट बिकॉज शी इज़ अ वुमन शी इज़ लाइक दिस एंड वी कैन हेट हर बिकॉज वी आर मैन. नो 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 नो, रॉन्ग 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 भाई, ये बहुत ही गलत है. और ये सीरीज़ मेरे लिए तो इतना ट्रोमैटिक एक्सपीरियंस था, इफ़ यू आस्क मी. किसी के साथ ना हो भाई. एंड मेरे को पहले से ही मालूम कि सोशल मीडिया बहुत ही गलत इन्फ्लुएंस है ऑन चिल्ड्रन. बट आफ्टर सीइंग दिस आई अंडरस्टूड द डेप्थ्स ऑफ हाउ स्कैरी इट कैन बी इफ इट गेट्स आउट ऑफ हैंड्स. मतलब एंड तो आपको पता भी नहीं चलता कि इट इज़ गेटिंग आउट ऑफ हैंड. द थिंग इज़ उसके पेरेंट्स को जब तक पुलिस घर पे नहीं आई तब तक दे नेवर न्यू कि उनका लड़का कुछ इस तरीके के उसमें भी जा रहा था. एंड मैं इस वीडियो में बहुत सारे चीज़ें स्किप कर दी अभी जिसके बारे में मुझे बात करना था, बट मैं नहीं करी बिकॉज 1 घंटे का वीडियो हो जाता अगर मैं इसके बारे में बात करी, कोई भी एक टॉपिक के बारे में. तो आएंगे धीरे धीरे से वो भी. बट जो भी मुझे इम्पोर्टेंट लगा, जो भी मुझे ये देख के महसूस हुआ, दैट इज़ हियर. एंड दिस इज़ लाइक वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड वीडियो. ये मेरे चैनल पे कभी भी नहीं आया होगा, बट हियर दिस इज़ जस्ट मी talking about what I feel about gender inequality of men hating women and how it is normalized. It is not okay, and that is my review to the show Adolescence, and also my thoughts on how it is wrong on many levels to have this kind of male population in a country, in any country for that matter. Like भाई गलत है ये थॉट गलत है. एंड ये एक एक वेकअप कॉल है ये सीरीज बेसिकली ऑन हाउ यू शुड बी there for your children in this digital age, like what all measures you should take for your children in this digital age, because they are prone to wrong influence. They are like अगर आपके बच्चों के पास फ़ोन है तो दे आर प्रोन टू रॉन्ग इन्फ्लुएंस. एंड हाउ कैन यू स्टॉप इट नहीं बोल सकूँगी, मिनिमाइज इट ही बोल सकूँगी, बिकॉज स्टॉप इट का चले गया भाई, टाइम चले गया स्टॉप इट का. सो इट इज़ जस्ट मिनिमाइजिंग दैट wrong influence on your child, and just look for ways on how you can influence your children in the right way. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है अगर आप right way में भी नहीं कर सकते ना, if you're not able to do the good, the best things for your children, at least don't do the wrong. मतलब भाई आप छोटे छोटे चीज़ें जो गलतियां कर रहे हैं वो देख के आपके बच्चे ये सब कुछ सीख रहे हैं कि इट इज़ ओके टू हेट वुमेन. इट इज़ लाइक द बॉयज स्पेशली आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. इट इज़ ओके टू हेट वुमेन फॉर देयर एग्जिस्टेंस. Yeah, I'm telling. Some, seriously, I've seen some men who hate women just for their एग्जिस्टेंस. भाई ने एग्जिस्ट क्यों कर रही है, ऐसी है क्यों? आपको क्या है प्रॉब्लम भाई? आप आपकी ज़िंदगी जियो, लोगों को उनकी ज़िंदगी जीने दो. लाइक, when I see those videos where, some like female influencers post these videos where they are like reacting to their hate comments, and most of them are like males. I'm like, go do your own job. Why? Like last night only I was watching one video where this influencer was telling how many hate comments she gets, and it is scary, to be honest. I was like, भाई कुछ करा नहीं जा सकता. वी कांट स्टॉप. अभी यहाँ तक आ गई बात कि आज के लिए बस इतना ही. ये वीडियो एक बेसिकली रैंट ही बोल सकूंगी. आई एम जस्ट रैंटिंग अबाउट वॉट आई हेट अबाउट द वर्ल्ड एंड हाउ things are normalized that shouldn't be. I was just ranting about that. And rant भी नहीं बोलूँगी, मेरा point of view है भाई, जो भी दुनिया में चल रहा उसके towards. And if you have watched Adolescence, do let me know what are your thoughts on the series, and like, from what do you think, where is it coming from, why did Jamie murder? That is clearly answered in the series, but what is your take on that? I would be very happy if you would indulge in the comments about that. Thank you, and that's all for today. Bye.